Hi guys, this is Zoebali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to implement our design page into our website with changing styles according to mobile phones and how you can use view your page in live mobile emulator. So let's dive into our next chapter without any further delay. Okay, so let's start our WP admin. Now quickly start your website. Okay, so last time we created our new page called our achievements, which is not showing here. So today we are going to implement our new page into this navbar. So quickly go to the customize option. Just go to the navbar, press the blue icon, which means customization. Go to configure menu from here in general. Now this is our primary menu basically. So you need to go to primary menu, edit menu, and now you can see there are four options: themes, plugins, about, contact, which are also showing here. So we need to add a new page. Just click on it, add items, and this is our page which we created in previous video. Just add it. As you can see, now it's showing here, so you just need to align it in between these. Quickly grab it and paste it, not the sub item. Okay, now you just publish your page. As you can see, now our achievements is showing here. If you want to check this, just quickly click on it. Okay, so this was our page which we created in previous video, as you can see. So this is how you can add your page into your website. Okay, now I will show you how you can see your website in mobile phone without using your own mobile. Okay, just move on to your next tab. Just search for browser stack. This is the website. Okay, now you just want to select iOS, then iPhone, and you can select any of the iPhone, but you have very less time, so you need to be very quick. Just go iPhone 15. In the meanwhile, go to your local WP, go to your live link, copy your link. Okay, now you just want to paste it here. Just type your username, your password. Just press sign in. As you can see, we are logged in into our WordPress page. You can see your website here. So this is how it works for the website. So that's it. I hope you like the video. For more upcoming videos, kindly press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Take care.